In today's exercise, I'm going to show you how to do an incline chest press with a hammer strength machine, okay? So the hammer strength machines are very good because, as you can see, you can put your free weight, and since each area is separated, it has like the same act like a dumbbell, okay? So it's like a hybrid between like a dumbbell and a barbell, okay? Because with the barbell, you press at the same time, but one arm can be dominant than the other. So that means you can press like harder on one side, and you'll notice that if you start seeing the bar to sway. But with the hammer strength, this putting the equal weight on each arm separately, which is very great. Now, with that said, when doing the exercise, all right, go ahead and sit on down to the seat, roll your shoulders back, keep your chest up, suck in the tummy, push the butt out when you're sitting down. Make sure your hand distance is just like that, about shoulder distance apart. Go ahead, take your head and relax it onto the back of the chair, and then go ahead and press up, okay? Now, when doing this, as you can see, I keep my elbows in, okay? Don't flare your elbows out like that because you're going to injure them. Keep the elbows inward and then push up. Make sure you have a strong grip onto the handlebar so your wrist is nice and straight when doing the exercise. Great exercise to really hit up the medial part of the chest, but this is how you do an incline chest press with a hammer strength machine.